give me a huge thumbs up. So, do you want to get started?
Let's get started.
Yes. So first, we're going to open these.
Whoa, those look cool. What do you have, Kayla?
I have a Pixie.
A Pixie. What do you have?
A Smasher.
A Smasher?
It's hard to open.
They're hard to open. Cool. It's like an egg.
Yep. How do you open this thing?
Get in here.
There we go. Whoa, I got one more. I didn't know that.
This is Hatchimals Pixies. Dragon molds.
I got it. So this is the little guy I got in the back. Whoa. And this is the Pixie.
That's cool. What do you got? You gotta smash them?
Yeah.
What are you smashing with? Your hand?
So you can smash them on the floor. Purse and this. So I get some headphones and a little purse, a donut purse, and some donut headphones. And I'll get her dressed and then you need to show her.
It didn't smash.
I have to do it hard, I think.
Whoa.
Look at guys.
What was in it? Let me see.
This guy.
Whoa, he looks cool. He's like a ninja.
Yeah. Ready?
Try it again.
Ooh, he looks cool.
Smash it.
So this is her all dressed. Look at him.
Oh, cool. Let me see him. Whoa, he looks awesome.
Now
Thanks, dude.
Whoa.
What's he look like? Let me see him.
He looks like an elephant.
Let's see all three together. Put them all down. Yeah, let's see.